Welcome back to yet another video in which we're going through exercise 13b, question 2, which is asking us to simplify this. Let's give it a go. Alright, this looks like a crazy question. What's the very first thing that we notice? I have 45, I have 9, I have 15. I can't do anything with these numbers because I don't have a similar base. So the first thing I want to do is make them have the same base. So I have 9, I have 15, I have 45. What's sticking out to me is the numbers 3 and 5. I can break those down. So for instance, 45 can be broken down into 9 times 5. Are you with me? Are you with me? Because it can, which is 1/3. But 9 can be broken down even further into, ready? 3 squared. There we go. Perfect. Let's now divide that by 9 over 3 over 4, which can be simplified to 3 squared. Let me get rid of that other one. 3 over 4. Then I'm going to multiply that by, look here, I have 15, which is 3 by 5. And that is 3 over 2. Look at us. We're doing a really good job. Now we're going to continue. Let me come out a little bit and do it down here. So I skip a line, so just keep it a bit neater. And now I'm going to use my fourth index law, which says if I'm going to get rid of these brackets, this 1/3 has to come here. So it's going to be 2 over 3 multiplied by 5, 1 over 3. Then I'm going to come down. I'm going to divide by, now ready? I'm going to use my third index law, which tells me I'm going to multiply these indices. So it's going to be 6 over 4. Better way to write 6 over 4 is 3 over 2. 3 over 2. And then I'm going to multiply that by 3 over 2, multiplied by 5, 3 over 2. Perfect. Let's keep on going. We're doing well. Now I'm here. All right. What can we do? Can't really do anything with my numerator at the time being, but I see I can use my first index law to plus these together. So let's just, ready? I'm going to do something that you can't. Haha. I can copy and paste this down, and then I'm going to put this here. Now, instead of writing it like that, I'm going to plus those together. So actually what I can do is get rid of that one and go plus 3 over 2. Hooray. That is going to be, once again, I'm going to cut this out. So the reason why I'm showing you all these steps is so if you wanted to look back later on and see what I did, instead of watching this whole video, you can just come and look at the OneNote and see all the steps that I took. Okay, we're here. That 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2, if I plus those together, I'm going to get 6 over 2. 6 over 2, which is obviously 3. So let me come over here. That's 5. That's times 5, 3 over 2. Now, I have to do some subtracting. So remember, when they have the same base, so this one can be subtracted from that one, and this one can be subtracted from this one, or vice versa. You know what I mean when I say subtracted from. So now we come here, and I'm going to write 2 over 3 minus. Now, instead of writing 6 over 2, I'm just going to write that as 3, but then I see my denominator has to be 3. So you with me? I'm going to write it as 9 over 3. Hopefully I didn't lose anyone there. So let me just stop again. 6 over 2 is 3, but now I'm going 2 over 3 minus 3. So my denominator is going to have to be a 3 in order to do that. So I've made it 9 over 3. Hopefully everyone gets that. Then I'm going to come over here to 5, and I'm going to get 1 over 3 minus 3 over 2. I'm going to have to make these have the same denominator, which is going to be 6. So I'm going to have to times this one by 2. So instead of a 1 there, I'm going to get a 2 over. And instead of a 3 there, 3 times 2 is 6. Then I come over here, and instead of 3 over 2, I'm going to have to times these by... Wait a second. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I was like, what did I times that by? I'm not doing this video again. So I'm going to times this one by 3. So 3 by 3 is 9. 9 over 2 by 3 is 6. We're doing well. We're doing well. Then we come down. Now I'm going to go equals. This is going to be 3 negative 7 on 3. 7 on 3. Then multiplied by 5. And this is going to be, yet again, negative 7 on 6. So 7s are the same there. And that is about as far as I can go. You don't have to put this multiplication sign there. Just make sure maybe they're closer together. And I'm going to say that's my final answer. Lock it in, Eddie. Lock it in. For you Millionaire Hot Seat fans. Fantastic show. Every day, right before the Channel 9 news. Highly recommend. There we go. Hopefully that was helpful.